Well, it has a lot to do with Michigan's unique no-fault law. You and I and every driver in Michigan is paying about $600 more per year for car insurance than the national average. According to Insure.com, we're paying $1,100 more than Maine, where car insurance is the lowest in the country. That's an iPad, a new computer, or a trip to New York that each of us is missing out on each year because of the high costs. And the high numbers are now getting attention from the governor.
It's time for some reforms, folks.
The high cost for auto insurance is getting attention from the governor, and he wants change immediately.
We far exceed every other state in how expensive our claims are. The average claim in Michigan is $44,000. The other next two states are $17,000 and $10,000.
And those claims are paid out by every driver on the road. The same insurance in Ohio would run about $900 less each year. That's according to Insure.com.
Well, it's tough. Everybody's trying to make ends meet, and, more money in your car insurance definitely doesn't help.
The governor wants thoughtful reform to the state's no-fault law and medical payouts, as well as insurance fraud.
Fraud's estimated to be upwards of almost 10% of the premium volume, and in Michigan that can equate to almost $400 million.
To look for a solution to the high cost of auto insurance, the governor signed an executive order creating the Department of Insurance and Financial Services.
But I would say we're not going to stop at those two. I want to look at the whole question of auto insurance to see what we can be more proactive. Particularly when you have cities, Detroit's #1 on the most expensive list, Novi's #6, and I think Muskegon's #9. That's not a good set of circumstances.
Kevin Clinton is waiting approval to be the new director of that department.
If the legislature can move quickly, I'm sure we could have this done, let's say, within 9 months. So anytime they renew after, let's say, mid-September, they could start seeing some savings.
Now, the number of accidents in Michigan is not causing the problem. Michigan is actually at a 10-year low with about 30% fewer accidents than in 2002. And a side note, according to the Federal Highway Administration, Michigan is 9th in the country for the most expensive vehicle registration fees. We had a couple questions about that on our Facebook page. The average cost is about $58 per vehicle, but that ranges from $29 to $211 in this state. Lauren?
Brian, thanks.